Welcome back to the channel, where today we're diving into one of the most anticipated supercars of 2025, the all-new Ford GT. With its blend of cutting-edge design, performance, and a price tag, the 2025 Ford GT is something that enthusiasts have been eagerly waiting for. So let's get into the details and see what makes this machine a true masterpiece. If you are new and still have not subscribed yet, so please subscribe and hit the bell icon for new updates. Starting with the exterior design, the 2025 Ford GT has a look that instantly grabs attention. It's a sleek, aggressive design, refined from its predecessors with a more aerodynamic stance. The body is crafted from carbon fiber, ensuring not only a reduction in weight, but also enhanced durability. The lines are sharp, giving the car a futuristic look, and the signature Ford grille is unmistakable. The exterior also features adaptive headlights, which help to improve visibility around tight corners, enhancing the overall driving experience. Inside the cabin, the Ford GT offers a combination of luxury and precision engineering. The interior layout is focused on the driver, with every element purposefully designed for performance. The steering wheel is trimmed in leather and designed with integrated controls, so you're never distracted from the task at hand. Ford has equipped the interior with a custom digital display that gives you real-time performance metrics, engine vitals, and navigation, all in a glance. It's not just about looking cool, it's about being functional. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Ford GT doesn't hold back. Powered by a twin-turbocharged V6 engine, this supercar produces over 700 horsepower, delivering an astonishing 0.60 pf time of just around 3 seconds. With its advanced suspension system and lightweight carbon fiber body, the Ford GT handles like a dream. The active aerodynamics also play a big part in keeping the car stable at high speeds, adjusting the airflow to maximize performance during acceleration or braking. Now, let's talk about the price. The 2025 Ford GT is positioned as an ultra-luxury performance car, and it comes with a hefty price tag. Starting at around $600,000, this isn't a car for just anyone. It's aimed at those who want a piece of Ford's heritage while enjoying cutting-edge technology and performance. To wrap up, the 2025 Ford GT is a phenomenal supercar that checks every box for enthusiasts. With its stunning exterior, luxurious interior, blistering performance, and advanced technology. Whether you're on the track or cruising the open road, the Ford GT proves that it's one of the most incredible cars of the modern era. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with all our latest videos. See you next time.